I've just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. Quant has dumped to $115 to $116, just as we predicted in yesterday's update, simply because we had a close below $124. And so we head over to the next level of support in the golden pocket, but we can see it's slightly closed outside. This is because we had further fibs telling us that 115 was the 1618 target over here. So I was saying that yes, although 116 is there, I'm expecting 115 to be tested. We're almost at our technical target now. I hope you guys have been part of this trade. It's been a very nice trade so far. We are currently up at the moment without any leverage, about 11%. This is incredible. If you want to secure your profits, you guys just do whatever you want, but please understand that if we start climbing back up and we reclaim $131, we will not meet $100. But for the moment, this is our belief, because we are below this neckline of the double bottom, this left shoulder and right shoulder neckline over here. We have validated these patterns. We lost $124 over here, which we were almost here for a week waiting for this dump. We were saying close below 124 and we go down. As long as we are above, we got chances of heading to 131. That's why we came up but confirmed the bearish cross as resistance. And so we are still anticipating these targets down here. We just need to wait for the reaction of what's going to happen between 116 and $115. Can we get a bounce? Please understand that 124 to 126, this wick over here, has now flipped into resistance. This is why we have a red box here. So even if we pump up, understand this is a resistance. This is also a resistance. So Quant, for the bulls out there, needs to reclaim $131. Failing to do so, which we are currently, we're still heading down to 106, which is that 786 fib. When you lose the 618, that's our next target. Very nicely in line with this target out of the head and shoulders or descending triangle or M pattern, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same target. And as long as we're above $100, it's going to give us this opportunity to climb back up. But the moment we lose $100, it gets very, very, very ugly, guys. From the top to the bottom, lose $100 sometime in the near future, and it could be that we're retesting $44 sometime in the future. That could be 6 months to a year down the line. And that's not the case at the moment. We are not yet going down there. We have not yet validated the pattern taking us down there. We are prepared, but it's yet to actually validate. And equally, you could lose 100. So boom, we lose 100. That means we're going down here. Boom, we reclaim 100. That means we're not going down here. There's invalidation points and validation points equally. You can invalidate it, fall back under, flip it into resistance, and boom, we're going down there again. You need to understand that trading is 100% flawed in this case, guys. It's flawed completely. Nothing is 100%. If you're looking for something that isn't flawed, for something that is 100% a guarantee, get out of here. It's not the place to be. It's not the place at all. You can have double bottom patterns that are bullish and they don't work. Look at this right here. One bottom, neckline, second bottom. You break out. Well, you didn't even break out, you just reached the neckline and we continue lower. One bottom, second bottom. You have another double bottom here. One, neckline, second bottom. You break out. Okay, let's keep going and going and going. No, we go down. So nothing here is 100%. I've just shown you that very quickly. I didn't even have to look at the chart too properly either. Equally, you can have bearish patterns that break out as we do right now. We're expecting this, but what if you just come up above 131 and take out this yellow line and this bear market box? You're no longer going down there. So the quicker we can understand that there's validation and invalidation points and be laser eye focused on those levels, and then we're okay. So just understand that yes, if we do come up above 131, yes, it's annoying, but that's just a part and parcel of trading. If you don't want that to be part and parcel of trading, don't trade. This is not the place for you. So just understand that nothing is 100% a guarantee in these markets, and this is why we have a primary scenario but also a secondary one. We have a primary primary one which is going to be patterns that appear on the chart, and if they validate, this is the path we should go on, which is you lose 131, we're going to 106. This is the primary scenario. But the secondary scenario, and we always have to have a secondary one, because again, you just climb back above 131 and you're not coming down here. So this is why I'm always preparing all the scenarios for you guys, and we just simply take the one that is shown. And so it shows that we're not holding this as support to head up higher. Instead, we're losing this support and heading lower to this target. So I will still be saying we're going down to $105, $106, but it could be the case that right now we bounce off 115, reclaim 116 golden pocket, climb back above, flip it in support, flip 131 into support, and we're out of here for continuation upwards. Could have quite a similar run up to this in the next impulse. Let's check where that would take us if let's say we do bottom out over here. That would take us back to around $200 if we have a similar wave up and if we're pumping from current price. But I can't say this is a guarantee. Nothing here is a guarantee. And in actual fact, longer term outlook, getting rid of these this actual bearish patterns target down at 106, getting rid of these fibs just for now, we can see that all we're doing is having this big push up, retracing into the golden pocket, resetting this newly formed uptrend to continue higher and higher. But the moment you do lose this, it's a bad signal, guys. With the reversal wave would be created, signaling that price could be coming back down towards 80, 75, 67, 54, 47 and $43. Ties up, acting as confluence with this massive descending triangle that we see ourselves potentially validating. Again, it's not valid. As it's not valid, it's not happening. Please understand this. At the moment, we have targets lower, but these targets too are not below $100. So although we've validated this smaller one, it's not even saying that we should go below this. So although there's a bigger pattern saying if we go below this, we could be going down to that psychological support. This pattern over here, the smaller one, is not even sending us below. So although yes, we can prepare for the lower targets down at $50, it doesn't mean it's a 100% guarantee. The quicker we can understand this, the better we can become at trading. So that's pretty much it for today's quant update. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And for those people getting pissed off for me using emergency, thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace. I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship. It goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.